Having seen the bewildering scope of never-ending activities, all so unnecessary and frivolous, within delusory perception of this world, this city of samsara, Abu's attention turns to the solitude of the mountains. Having seen the constant frenzy of activity, the futile clamor of busyness and distraction, in the dealings of the monastic community, Abu's attention turns to the solitude of the mountains. Anyone I look at is inexorably approaching death. Anything I consider involves a denial of mortality. Having seen such disenchanting extravagance, Abu's attention turns to the solitude of the mountains. Any friends I make increase my attachment and aversion. Any form of interaction involves dishonesty and deception. Having seen how companions lack the conditions for virtue, Abu's attention turns to the solitude of the mountains. Throughout the three realms, the hostile kleshas go on deceiving. Among the six classes, the wheel of distraction continues to turn. Having seen these means of engendering further suffering, Abu's attention turns to the solitude of the mountains. O Guru, unfailing protector, and three jewels, when I reach a place of retreat, inspire me with the fortitude to remain there. Grant your blessings and enable me to settle in the solitude of the mountains, somewhere that provides physical and vocal isolation, and thereby inspire a true solitude of the mind. Translated by Anain Gawan Sandru and Adam Piercy, 2020.